Do you know someone that is experiencing cognitive difficulties, or perhaps is recovering from a stroke and having trouble recalling names or numbers? One feature that is widely available in smartphones today is the ability to add photos to contacts so that you can more easily identify who you want to contact or who is trying to contact you. Such a feature is a great memory aid to those experiencing some form of cognitive impairment, and it's a feature that many people can benefit from, so let's set it up. First, open your Contacts app. Then select the contact person you want to add a photo. Tap Edit in the upper right corner. Then tap the Add Photo option next to the name. You can take a photo or choose a photo from the camera roll gallery. For either option, you'll be able to move and scale the photo to fit. Once you choose the best photo, tap Choose to save the selection. And then select a filter to apply to the photo if you want to. If no filter is required, tap on Original. Once completed, tap on Done in the upper right-hand corner. And that's how you add a photo to your phone contacts. For more accessibility features, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload a new video.